EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for January 31st, 2020 for the final day of the month. We're expecting increasing clouds, and we're going to have this system moving off to the south and east of us this weekend. This is the same system we were watching as a signal for a while that is going to be a little bit too far to the southeast to really affect our region, and it just did not phase with the northern stream feature in time in order to get this thing coming up the coast and giving us a snowstorm. So we are dodging a bullet here as we go into Friday night. We're expecting just mainly cloudy skies. Farther southeast, though, toward the shore points, you will have some showers working their way in tonight. That is across Delaware and southern New Jersey only. Very far interior outside of our area here in western Pennsylvania could have some snow showers also ahead of the northern stream feature. But the northern stream feature is back here. It's going to be diving in after the system comes in. And you can see this thing taking shape off the coast here on Saturday. So mainly showers across southern New Jersey and Delaware are just in the morning. Those are in the form of rain. And then once we get into the evening and overnight, there could be, with the northern stream feature diving down, there could be a few snow showers here, but these are insignificant. We're just looking at maybe a coating in the colder spots, and that's it. So that's it for that weekend storm. As we get over the NAM high-res future simulator radar, taking a closer look at South Jersey here. Again, it's going to be cloudy here late in the day. This is looking at 7 p.m. The showers starting to come into southern Delaware here at this point. And you can see where the showers are going to be overnight, just right mainly along the shore points in southern New Jersey. It doesn't even get all of southern New Jersey. Central New Jersey should stay dry out of this, and just mostly the southern two-thirds of Delaware. You get the fringe impacts of rain that's going to go right into Saturday morning, and then that falls away and goes away after that point. But the NAM does not have the snow showers that were noted here overnight on the European model, which I just showed you. So that's kind of like a toss-up, whether or not the northern stream is going to have enough juice with it to produce a quick coating somewhere. So we're going to leave it in the forecast for now, but don't get excited. This isn't really too big of a deal. As we get into Sunday, we'll call it becoming partly cloudy after morning clouds erode, and temperatures are going to be very similar to what they were on Saturday in the 40s. And then once we get into Monday, we're going to see a warm-up as a big ridge. You can see that here. A big ridge is starting to build in to the eastern United States, and the ridge extends all the way up to here. So on this side of that ridging, you're going to get some pretty warm temperatures coming in here for Monday, and that's going to go right through at least the middle of the week. We're having temperatures in the 50s and in some places near 60 by the time we get to Tuesday. But there is Monday. We're mostly sunny and very mild afternoon, so a very nice day to be outside on Monday. And then once we get to Tuesday, late on Monday night and Tuesday morning, and we'll have some showers come in here, maybe just a few showers. This is along a warm front. This will be rain showers, and it will be mild here on Tuesday as well into the 50s, maybe even 60 in some spots. This does not go the whole day, though. It's mainly just later on Monday night into Tuesday morning, and then the afternoon looks like it just remains cloudy or mostly cloudy. After that point, we have more showers, a more concentrated area of showers moving through the region on Wednesday. So we have periods of showers here expected on Wednesday. And then this is ahead of a frontal boundary, a cold front. There is very interesting features here going on at the end of the week. There's two systems here. There's one that's driving this cold front eastward, and the other one is down here. There's another air low pressure moving along that boundary further south. So as we move forward with time, this low pressure is going to continue eastward and try to pull the front through, and then here's that low forming on the southern end of that boundary. We have to watch this closely because the speed of this front will dictate whether or not we have a rain or snow or both situation here. And then the European model and some others are indicating that we have a rain to snow situation here coming in on Thursday night. So Thursday, primarily just rain showers working their way back in, and then it does change over to snow here in the northern areas on the European model. GFS is a little more aggressive with this front, a little bit more progressive with it, so it's a little bit further south and east than this, but it does show this area low pressure delivering some snow, at least to the interior, on Thursday night. So we'll have to watch this Thursday night into early Friday morning before this pulls away. So we're going to have to watch this closely here at the end of the week. This is another one of our storm signals. Again, storm signals, and I'll explain this a little bit better when we get into Weather Weekly's video on Sunday, because there seems to be a mass confusion when it involves storm signals. A storm signal just means a favorable time frame to see a storm. This system is missing us over the weekend was a listed storm signal. We had it in a long-range outlook for 2 weeks. At a 2-week lead, we could see that there's a signal there for a storm, but it doesn't necessarily mean that a storm is going to directly hit here or give us a winter storm. In this case, it is neither, but there still was a storm. There still is going to be a storm. So the storm signal is there, and the same storm signal is here. for the end of the week. We have additional signals beyond that in the 10th and 11th time frame, and there's one beyond that too. I'll identify that when I do the long range this morning, all the different signals we're watching. But just keep in mind that storm signal does not necessarily mean winter storm. It's going to be track and temperature dependent at the time, and there's a lot of things that can change between now and 2 weeks from now. So we'll list those signals. Most of those signals will, in fact, form a storm. It's just a matter of timing and placement and things like that will determine whether or not we get snow. And I know we haven't had much snow this winter. A lot of people are starved for snow that are snow lovers and depend on it for income during the winter months. We'll see what we can do, but right now it doesn't look like it's really anything overly promising in the mid-range. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for January 31st, 2020. Have a great Friday.